So guys, today we will do an unboxing. So guys, welcome to my channel, Giza Rodriguez channel. Have fun.
This one?
Yep.
Okay. Hi guys. Hello. BBB is arriving. Balikbayan box arrived.
Here. Ta-da!
Here.
Yes. And
I packed it on 1st of September. And it was arriving end of 4th week of November in Manila. And today we have what? We have 10th of December. It needs nearly 3 months from Switzerland to Dipolog City.
yes. And
now
we will do an unboxing, guys.
Yes.
With Gary.
yeah. I'm curious what there is in because I can't remember 3 months back.
Gary.
Yeah, I see.
So we first make unboxing. So guys, finish opening. And now we will start the ching ching. That's the inside above.
German. Then look so nice. For your sleeping. Super. Then we have more plastic for the vacuum. Something.
Yes. Three. Charan.
Put it on the
Put it here.
back. That's one.
Charan.
Coffee for a friend of us.
For Gabi, his German friend. Oh, nice.
That's more.
Bags.
And
Charan.
another few.
For me.
Then box. Medicine and beauty. I don't know.
Beauty.
Then Peter box, another friend of us.
Oh, what?
I have to buy some things. A puzzle for Madame Chira from the world.
A world map
A world map.
puzzle.
Then comes here
That's
puzzle.
puzzle.
Is this
It's a Mount
Mount
Mayon.
Mayon?
Mount Mayon puzzle. Oh, the Mount Simala. Mount Simala.
Mount Simala super.
The Simala Shrine. Oh.
And here some nice.
Yeah, it's nice. So they are all 4 guys.
Some. Oh my God.
This is Nivea lotion. Yeah, Nivea. That's Nivea. Right?
More Nivea.
My God, Nivea. Guys, for sale. Who want to buy?
Gabi, sugar, filter coffee.
Okay.
Yeah. She will be happy.
For cooking.
Oh, that's heavy.
It's nice.
That's expensive. Here, a super pot
So expensive, guys.
for making.
So
It's heavy. It's fully iron.
that Liesenhoff heart. And the charan, the long.
Chara, it's closed, and we let it closed till the 24.
You can't. We're displaying. No.
No.
That's a gift. We have Christmas. Guys, that's all. It's all inside of the BBB. They're the gifts for this.
The doggies, huh? It's tools, more of them. Then the booster, Wi-Fi booster.
Wi-Fi booster, guys.
I don't know if it works.
I hope.
It's for the pool.
Tablet.
The tablets for the pool. It's for the holes and this. The measuring pool water. I don't know. Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Mobile.
For the doggies. Oh, guys, she forgot the other dog.
I have only 2 bones. Scheiße.
Oh, he has no.
This is my new silvers.
That's with the grade too. Oh my God, that's Mr. Bond,
So cool. Huh?
James Bond.
You're cool.
I'm so cool. Hi guys.
Can I open this, Daddy?
Because
The glass you have
Yeah.
not to put away.
Yeah.
Okay.
because when I put my glass away, I'm a little bit blind. So this is some medicine. Panadol.
Box number 2, guys.
Now, box number 2, guys.
Wow, medicine.
For the coloring of Madam.
That's not mine.
Oh, made in Switzerland,
Oh,
guys.
so big.
But for my hair.
For Madame
So I can swim the pool.
in the pool. Yeah? Then there are some bricks.
Jera can. So I think I have I have something from inside, guys.
That's really scheiße. It's for important as you are. Oh my God.
This is guys nice.
Perfume.
This is for me.
Perfume.
All perfume, guys. You see, guys, we have perfume.
And then
Or
Pepantene.
Bipanthen.
Voltaren for the old man.
Yeah. Old man.
Penny
I
steel.
mean,
Penny steel.
yeah, it's for each. That's for the lights, guys.
Then puzzle.
That's a glue. No
Glue.
need for glue.
Puzzle glue.
Okay, that's good, my love.
2 puzzle glues.
Oh, whoa.
And there is also from
That's
us
a
Deutch.
like. That's a like.
Something, I
That's
don't
a
know.
lotion. Oh. I don't. This is bath.
Shower, but that shower or something. With
Yeah.
coconuts.
Thank you, Astrid. Thank you so much.
Nail color remover.
Yeah, guys, that's really before the
To this and to this.
you.
A little bit
Yo.
more dark.
I think this is same I will use.
Yeah. I see.
So guys, this is our Christmas tree, guys, and this is here.
Gifty, gifty.
Yeah. Guys, that's our Christmas tree Jira made decoration. We only add something.